how to enable dark mode on any device. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to enable dark mode on any device. Dark mode is a feature that changes the background of your screen to black or dark colors instead of white. It helps reduce eye strain, saves battery on some devices, and makes the screen more comfortable to look at in the dark. Now, to enable dark mode on your device, first open the settings on your mobile, then scroll down a little and tap on display and brightness. Here you will see the option for dark mode. Just turn the toggle on, and your phone will instantly switch to dark mode. As you can see, the background is now dark. Next, go back to the home screen and swipe down to open the notification center. Here you will also find a shortcut called Dark Theme. You can tap the toggle to turn it off if you want the screen to go back to white, or turn it on again whenever you like. This way, you can quickly switch between dark mode and light mode whenever it suits you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.